Myself Deepa, I am going to discuss about half adder, its truth table, how we can write a Verilog code for half adder and realize it using a Xilinx ISS suite. Observe the truth table through waveform window. This is an half adder. It has two inputs A and B and outputs are sum and carry. Sum is A XOR B and carry is A and B. This is the truth table of half adder. When both A and B are 0, 0, sum is 0 and carry is 0. When either of A and B are 0, then sum is 1 and carry is 0. When both A and B are 1, 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. Now we will open ISS suite. First close the project, then new project. Give a name for new project as HA. Click next, next, finish it. So once the project is created, go to project, new source. As we are writing a Verilog code, select Verilog model, give name for model as HA. Click next. We can give two inputs as A and B, outputs as sum and carry, and we have to select the direction as output. Click next, finish. So here Verilog module for half adder is created. Now we have to write only the logic. Assign sum is equal to A XOR B. Assign carry is equal to A and B. So now logic is written for half adder. Save it. Once you are done with unit under test, we have to write a test bench. Go to source, go to project, new source. We have to select Verilog test fixture for writing a test bench. Give name as HA underscore TB. Next, next, and it should be associated with HA. So now we have got test bench. Here inputs are declared as registers and outputs are declared as wires. Two combinations are already written. A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. Now we have to write other three combinations. Now giving all the possible four combinations, that is A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. A is 0, B is 1, A 1 and B is 0. Both A and B as 1, 1. Now save. Go to simulation. Here we can see that both unit under test and half adder test bench both are created here. We should next go for checking the syntax. So we have to select simulation here and the file for which we have to check syntax. HA underscore TB is tested. Go for behavioral check syntax. It is showing behavioral check syntax completed successfully. Next we have to test for unit under test. Select unit under test. go for behavioral check syntax, and it is showing that it is completed successfully. It will also indicate through a green tick mark. When check syntax is completed successfully, we can go for simulating it. So for simulation, always select a test bench, go for simulating. So waveform window is appearing here. Here we can see that 2 inputs and 2 outputs are available. So when you double click, we will get a cursor, and here we can observe all the 4 combinations. When both A and B are 0 0, sum and carry are 0 0. When A is 0 and B is 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. When A is 1 and B is 0, sum is 1 and carry is 0. When both A and B are 1 1, sum is 0 and carry is 1. So by writing Verilog code in silence, we can verify the truth table through waveform window as shown here. Thank you.